Hi, so here's my final project. So if I log into admin, so maybe I should show this first. I do not have a cookie right now. Cookies, view cookie information. No first name cookie. Okay. And so now I'm in here. Admin at CIT336.net. The password. And log in. So now if I look at the cookie information, I'm pretty sure it has now processed the cookie and deleted the cookie. Yes. And now we're on the session. So the cookie works, and you get the welcome admin, and it'll redirect you to the admin page. My reviews, I have a section for them, but they will not call from the database. So we're having a few issues there, meaning it doesn't work. But so no, I cannot update or delete a review yet, or will be able to. So there, and then I go to Canyon Products, and I can enter a review. This is really cool. And then add review, and it takes me back to this page, and it doesn't show my review, but I know it's adding it because if I come to the database, it adds it in. And it puts a timestamp, it gets a client ID, it gets everything. So it's adding to the database. I just can't call from the database. And I've worked on the problem, and couldn't figure it out. So there's that. We need to make sure that it is responsive. And it is responsive. You can see it go through. Yeah, I do have a little bit of a hiccup up here, but really I'd rather it do that than have things go off outside of its box. So it's responsive. And then we want to validate the local HTML. So I'm just going to come to this page since this is kind of what we changed, and it's a random page. So validate local CSS and validate local HTML. CSS, no warnings, no errors. No warnings, no errors. So we are good on all of that. And then, so because everything on mine is not working except for the cookie's working for sure, and it's adding to the database, so I'm getting this. I did want to show this. So if I log out and go to Rocket, we do not get the reviews because you're not logged in. You should be able to see the reviews, but like I said, reviews aren't working. So I wanted to show you my code just because I wanted to show you that I had written all the code for all of this to work, and I must be missing like a few little things here and there that breaks it all. So I have it building the product detail, and then you have your if statement saying if you're logged in, show this, and that's what that does. And then this is where it gets a little bit hard, is that I have this review client, and so I put it in here, but it won't call this function, so it won't even use this function. And I'm like way frustrated with it, but that's what it's doing. So I have all that. So if I go to reviews index, I just wanted to show you that I have an add review, and we know that works. We have a get review client, we get review item. So this is probably where my error's in, but I can't find it, so I don't know what it's doing. And then I have a mod, and I have an update, and then the delete, and then it deletes the review. And like I said, I have no way of testing to make sure these work, but the code's there. I've done it. Like, I know that's how you would do it. I just can't get it to work on the view. There's a product. So this gets the review by product and matches it, the product to, the matches a review to a product. So it should bring back all of the products from that review, the reviews from that product. Like I said, there's probably something I'm missing in here and I cannot figure it out. So you have the review. And then this is where, if logged in, it's supposed to show admin on review, and if not logged in, it's supposed to go to home. So that's the reviews controller. I did want to show, because I couldn't show on there, I do have a delete. So this is, if I could see this and if I could get this to work, that's my delete page and my update page. So I have them, they're just not working. And then the functions, this is probably where it gets a little bit messy, just because I'm messing so much with products in this. So build review list, build review display, review details, and then that's product details, and then review details. So big list there. This is a really long video, sorry. So yeah, that's my project. I understand that it doesn't work. Thanks, bye.